Good morning everyone and welcome to Learn Reality Consult. Today I will teach you how to add data to ArcMap exercise 1. This is a series of exercises that I'm going to conduct for people who are interested to learn GIS and remote sensing. First of all, we need to initialize our ArcMap. This is the ArcMap interface. And secondly, I need to teach you the two methods of adding data into ArcMap. One method is add data button. That's adding data into ArcMap using add data button. So using the add data button, click on the add data button, navigate to the desired data set, then select and add it to your map. So let's go to ArcMap. This is the add data button. So in this, you add new data to the map's active data frame. You can also drag data into your ArcMap from catalog window. So this is the first one. Navigate to your folder. This is exercise 1. Open it. Then go to exercise 1.gdb geodatabase. Double click on it. These are the data. Hold on Shift and click in each of the data set and then click add. That is how data is being added using the add data button. Secondly, I also need to add the data using method 2, a catalog window. That is dragging a data set from the catalog window. You can navigate to data set in the catalog, add them directly to ArcMap. Move to the layer you want to add, hold your left mouse button, push down, and then drag the layer to your map window. So let's go. This is the catalog window. Mostly it's on your right hand side. When you double click it, it can be docked at the right hand side, and there's it. And before you can click on it, if it doesn't appear on your left hand side, then you can come to this place and double click on it. It will appear. So let's double click on it, and then the folder. Now you need to do folder connection before we're able to use this method. I've already done the folder connection, but I will disconnect the folder and then I'll reconnect it again. Folder connection, right click, then connect to folder, scroll to the area, the folder you are interested, double click on it, come to RTC exercise and click OK. The folder has already been connected. Click on the plus sign and then come to exercise 1. Click on the plus sign, click on the plus sign, click on the plus sign on SLGDB, and then these are the data set. So this one you can click on it and then drag to your left hand side. Gonna drag main rows, then neighborhoods, special buildings. These are them. So now we have able to add data through the two methods. That's add data to the add data button, and secondly add data using the catalog window. So now we need to save our map. Our map, it's indicated on the top corner that and title. So you go to file, save, maybe scroll to the location, save as any name you want, and the extension will be MX. Save. That is the path. Now it has been saved. So now our last thing is to how to remove layers from a map. So now these are the layers that we have loaded. So if we don't need any of them, or we didn't need all of them, we can remove them by click on it, right click, you go to removed, the same thing, remove, right click, removed, right click, remove, 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 meaning all the layers have been removed. So when you remove the layers, it no longer needs a layer on your map. You can remove it. Select the layer in the table of contents, right click it and choose remove from the context menu. That's exactly what I have just done. Now it is empty. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you need more of this kind of tutorial, kindly subscribe to Learn Reality Console. Until then, we'll meet again in exercise 2.